Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to farm this airdrop called GiveRep loyalty program. This is social farming airdrop. This is social farming airdrop. Yeah, GiveRep is built on Sui Network. Okay, on Sui Network, right? So I'm going to show you how to farm. This is actually to farm this. You must have a Twitter account, and this is another way to grow your Twitter account. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the steps on how to start your farming. And when farming a Twitter airdrop, guys, you need to be careful on how you farm so that your Twitter page will not be blocked. Okay, don't just post like 100 tweets at a time. Just take it slowly. All right, so let's get started. So in this video we're going to talk about GiveRep. And as of today I'm making this video, this airdrop is not been it's not up to 2 days. Yeah, so you are still very early to start farming GiveRep. All right, okay, so you need a Twitter account. For those of you that does not have Twitter accounts, it doesn't take you any time to create one. And you need like 100 followers. If you don't have 100 followers, you can start following. Okay, so you'll be seeing my Twitter page handle on my um on in the description box on my YouTube. Yeah, so click on that description box. Make sure to follow me. Right, once you follow, make a comment and I'll follow you back. So this is how we are going to grow and make points. Our points going to count. Okay, so if you come across this video, go and follow my Twitter handle, follow me. If you follow, tell me to follow you back. I will try. Once you follow me, I'll follow you back, and then make a tweet. Okay, so another step is how to get those points, how to get the points. Now, like I said, that GiveRep sorry about my voice is built on Sui Network. You earn rep points, future rep token, build your social accounts. No ref system. There's nothing like referee and all that. There's no referral. Okay, so you and I are going to get this point by interacting. Okay, you interact, you tag, I post, you tag, you post, I tag, you interact, you tag. Now we are very early. Perfect time to farm rep. Minimum 100 followers are required. If you don't have followers, comment this tweet to follow and engage with each other. So that is why I'm making the video. If you don't have any followers, comment, go to my Twitter handle. You will see the link there. Click on it to come to my Twitter. Follow me. Comment. Okay, comment by tagging. I'll show you how to do that in this video. Right now, let's get started. Number one, go to here giverep.com/loyalty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize this, and then I think I should enter via my Chrome. So I'm gonna type okay, don't let me just go to my WhatsApp and get the link. Sorry, I'm gonna pause the video for now. So you can see the link here. I'll be going directly. Let me enter from my WhatsApp, giverep.com/loyalty. Yes, so once I click on the link, it will take me here, giverep.com/loyalty, and then I'm going to log in with my X account. So let's allow it to load. Guys, if it doesn't open, that means I'm going to make use of my VPN. Well, I don't have all the time, guys. Let's go and use VPN. Okay, VPN will make it faster. I'm going to use my Thunder VPN and just connect it. So let's see how it works with VPN. Let me close the link and then open another one. So guys, it has opened like this now. So the loyalty program, join projects and earn recognition by tweeting about them. So this is it. Yeah, so you're going to try to join. I'm going to log in with my Twitter account. Yes, so log in with your X account. So you click on your X account here. So yeah, I'm gonna authorize it. Authorize the app. So once you're done, click on loyalty and join program. I think my Twitter is connected. All right. So And then I'm going to click on loyalty and join programs. Loyalty. Click on the tweet about them and tagging them. Do engage as you can for example, Bullish. All right. So give a reality program form, project name, X handle, brief description. Okay. So this is how to join, right? You are going to fill this form. That's what I'm saying here. Now say login with X account. Click on loyalty and join program. Tweet about them with tagging. So let's fill this form. Contact Telegram ID. That's your ID name. Project ID without project X handle without add. Brief description up to 80 characters. Project website. We'll be in touch with you soon by creating a Telegram group with you. Okay, I just need to go back. Maybe let's click join all programs. Let me see. Join program. Okay, so you can see that I've joined because this place is now showing fainted here. So let's go to my Twitter and then we'll make a tweet about them. I go to Twitter. So now tweet about them with tagging GiveRep. Now do engage maximum as you can. For example, Bullish on, then you put at GiveRep, like and retweet. Notes 1 point per post slash tag, up to 10 points per day. You must not have more than 2 tags in your post. So GiveRep plus another tag maximum, otherwise it doesn't count. Okay, that's what they said. And they go ahead to say that each of them allows you to farm GiveRep point plus get extra rewards at Ike.dots, USDC, double app USDC, follow finance. Just need to follow all these people mentioned here. Let me go to my WhatsApp and show you guys. So read more. So you see at this so each of them allow you to farm GiveRep points. Let's go and tweet. Okay, so now I have make sure to join GiveRep. Type at GiveRep and it's to appear. You join, right? So now we have finished creating my account. So follow the steps and create yours. So it does this GiveRep farming does not really mean you're gonna use the opportunity to grow your Twitter accounts as well. So now I'm gonna make a tweet about them. I'm gonna make a tweet about them. This is how I'm gonna do it. They say engage as much as you can. For example, I'm gonna say bullish on ads, and I'm gonna put GiveRep. I'm gonna tag them. Okay, and I can also say my community, join this new project build on Sui Network, Bullish on GiveRep. So they have tagged them, and I now say join this new project build on Sui Network. Okay, and then I will now say I can now build your um okay, let me say we are early, we are very early, we are very early, comma, perfect time to farm rep. Okay, so and also if you don't have followers, so that so that they can interact, if you don't have if you don't, this, I'm just composing this for my own, right? You don't have followers, comment this tweet to follow and engage with each other. Okay guys, this is how you get points, right? By tagging them. So you must tag at least 2 or 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and type another one. Each of get extra rewards. So I'm gonna tag out sorry. Okay, sorry. So let me just post this bullish on GiveRep, and I tag this. Join this new project built on Sui Network. We are very early. Okay, we are very early. We are very early. Perfect time to farm rep. If you don't have followers, comment this tweet to follow and engage with each other, and I'm gonna post it. So guys, you can just post anything like that. Just don't just post snap to 100 a day. Okay, just take it gradually, post gently so that they will not block your Twitter account. Do it with caution. Okay, so just go ahead now, create your own account and start farming, right? I'll still bring you guys more potential airdrop. Okay, and I pray we all be eligible, right? So if you find this video helpful, do well to share this video to your friends, share this video, any social media you can, share the video, like this video, subscribe. If you have any question, go to the comment section and drop it. I'll do my best to answer all the questions. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget, I said click on the link, follow me on Twitter. This is how we grow. Comment and I will interact with your comments. Follow me and I will follow you back. Okay, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. You'll be the first to see. Come back again with another interesting video. See you and bye.